Here we are with the VW Bus 1965. Split window. Repairing it. Original paint. Original rust. Thank God that the rust is free. If not, I'll be in debt. But she's good. Oh yeah. The rust, you know, the Texas tan. Bunch of bam! Rust. Bam! Usual. Listen to that. Look at that skylight. Well, I tell you one thing though. This thing is awesome. Yes, it is. I got my work cut out, but I love doing this. Gotten used to it. Door bottoms as usual. Sometimes these buses, door bottoms are not that bad, but you end up replacing them anyway. We all know that. The other way. All right. Yep. Door bottoms here. Yeah, no. Right there. Working on the dog leg area there. Still got some wings. Gonna cut all that out. Typical toolbox is decent, no rust. And back here with the spare, it's pretty decent also. Original dash and all that stuff. Yep. This is it, folks. This is what happens when you get a bus. And if they look pretty, trust me and believe me, somebody's put their hands on the metal because they all rot out. Don't try to find a mint one or one that has no rust because you're gonna pay dearly. Yeah. Start cutting out that area there. Got a little Deanners, the outriggers on there. I kind of like the arch, but I'm gonna eliminate it because I like the original look. Yep, it's got all the windows. This door's been replaced. And there's the floor someone put in there. It's awesome. Wow. You better not come here. I'll lose my job. It's excellent. Look how fast this bus is. Look at the antenna. Man, 100 miles an hour. Look at that. It's the effects of nitromethane. Yep. And then somebody put a chunk in there. Crunch. That's got to get cut out. Yep. Hopefully this will be a rags too. More rags, not riches. Yep. I have the engine out of it. Why is it every time I get a bus, the engine's out of it? What's the deal with that? It's like a Mazda. You own a rotary Mazda. Your engine's outside the car more than in the car. What's up with that? Look at that Bondo job. Now that's what you call old school. We have to take that off. Because we're not going to go for that. Let's see if this door opens. Oh, yeah. Not bad. Oh, watch out with the rats. Might be a rat in there. Close the door. Yep. I fixed this frame. So you know the old deal. Had some bad ones on the top. Flipped it around. Welded it. See here? Welded it. Same with that. That'll work for me for now. For now, and you know, really, probably forever. One of these days, I'll go to a VW swap meet. Never been to one. Been to regular hot rod swap meets, but you never find nothing for these things. No surprise. So I got a 1600 for it. And that's what's going in. Good running motor. Yep. There she is. Gotta go do the brakes and you know the usual stuff. Yep. This is awesome. I thank the Lord for it. It's beautiful. All right, good people. Thank you for watching my videos. I know I got like 25 subscribers. I love all of you. I don't need big crowds. As long as somebody sees what the heck I'm doing, I'm happy with that. But a couple more subscribers would be nice, so don't be shy. Touch the button. Click like and subscribe. You know, help out this poor fellow over here. All right, that's it. God bless.